So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Shaggy pillow. In my case, a Shaggy heart pillow for Valentine's Day, but really you could do this at any time of the year just for any kind of decor project. So if you want to see how to do this, then keep on watching and I'll show you guys how. So basically, I'm going to base all of my dimensions off of this 14 by 14 pillow form. I'm going to start out by measuring out 15 by 15 inches on 2 pieces of fabric. This is going to make my pillowcase, and the 1 inch allows for a border for trimming and sewing the seams. So once you have that measured out, you're going to pin it and then cut along the sides, and you're just going to get ready to sew the seams together. Here I'm taking out the pins from one side, basically just because I've only sewn 3 of the 4 sides. I've left one side open, so this allows for me to invert the pillowcase and insert the pillow form. So here I'm just inverting it and making sure that the corners are popped out. And once you get something that looks like this, you're just going to make sure that the pillow form fits. So here I'm taking the open side and I'm folding in the pieces of fabric, and I'm going to pin the folds down to make it easier for me to sew the pillow shut. Now I'm going to sew the pillow shut just by using a looping motion through the seams with my thread. And don't forget to take your pins out as you do this. Now it's time to cut out the circles, which we're going to use for the petals for the center heart. I'm going to take my piece of felt and fold it into 4 parts like so. I'm going to take a clip, which is not necessary if you don't have one, but I'm taking it and I'm going to clip together all the 4 pieces. This kind of just allows for the folds to be held securely while I do the cutting. Depending on how large or small the circles are that you're cutting out, you should be able to cut at least 3 full circles along this piece of felt, basically yielding about 12 circles. So since I'm using the fabric from my pillowcase to make the white circles, you're gonna need at least 5 times more of the white than the red felt pieces. Now I'm just going to draw an outline of my heart using a colored pencil. Now, I highly recommend you pop in a really good movie for this part. We're going to make the petals. So you're going to grab a piece of felt, place a dab of glue right in the center, and scrunch it together. And it's basically going to form a petal just by scrunching it together like this. They all can be a little bit different. They don't have to be uniform. You can cut the time by half by creating a little station like this. I lined up my circles, placed a dab of glue in the middle, scrunched it up, and I'm using the spiral from a spiral notebook to hold the little petals in place. This totally beats having to hold each petal until the glue dries, basically. So now you can kind of just move along and just put glue in and scrunch it up. And until your whole spiral is filled up, just take them off and they should be completely dried and ready for your next line of petals. Now you're ready to glue them on. So just go ahead and add a dab of glue to the bottoms of each little petal and plop them down right in the center of the heart. So I'm starting from the center, working my way out with both the red and the white petals. You're going to want to glue the petals really close to one another. Remember, the more petals you use, the tighter your formation and the nicer the end result will be. For the white petals, you can kind of sparse them out just a little bit more than you did with the red. They don't have to be so tight, especially as you move outwards. And now it's time to breathe a little. So with all that hard work, you have yourself a cute, shaggy heart pillow. Thank you all so much for watching and subscribing if you have, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!